Hello everyone, this is Prashant and welcome to EasyTech AI channel. So today we will learn about list package in automation A360. So guys, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to get the latest videos. So we'll see about the list package here. So first of all, we need to understand why we should use the list package in automation A360. Okay, so list is nothing but the collection of value items. Okay, so how we are preparing every day the to-do list, like we are just adding the atoms there, so likewise it is behaving the same here. Okay, so we will see with the practical how we can use the list package in automation A360. So first of all, in action we can type the list, then we can able to see the list package here, and inside the list package we have these many actions are there: add atom, assign, clear, get atom, join atoms, append, remove, and set atom and size. Okay, so those many actions are available, so we'll see with the one by one, but before that just we will create one list variable here. Okay, so here I can select the list, and here we can select the subtype here. So these many type we can use while creating the list, but for now I'm just selecting the any here. But now we can use string, number, boolean, date, time, file, those options there. So I'm selecting the any for now and giving the name of the list lst. I'm using the city names list. Okay, and if we want, then we can just add the values. Okay, so I'm just adding here the name of the city in the list, Bangalore. I'll add the three atoms here, Delhi. Okay, so the in the 0th index Pune is there, in first index Bangalore is there, in second index Delhi is there. Okay, so I'm just creating this. All right, so we have this variable available now. Now we can perform the operations with this list with these actions. Okay, so first of all, I'll use the add atom here. Okay, so if we wanted to add some atoms in the existing list, then we can use this option. Okay, so here the list is available inside the list variable here, and I have this elasticity names list is there. So I'm using this, and atom to be added. Okay, so here I'll just create a one variable, and I'll assign one value to that, and then I'll add this to the list, str city name. Okay, okay, so I'll assign this with the city. Okay, string assign. Here we can assign the name of the city is Mumbai. Okay, and yeah, str city, I have assigned Mumbai to the str city name variable. Okay, save this. Okay, so this is done, and now we can just check it here again, like atom to be added. So we have used the correct name here at the strcity name. So inside this lstcity name, it will be adding. Okay, so here we have two options: add atom to end of the list and at list index. Okay, if you wanted to add the atom at the bottom, then you can select this. Otherwise, if you want to add the atom to the specific index, then you can select this, and you can just add the index here. Okay, so I'm using to end of the list now. Okay, okay, so this is done. Now go to the next action from the list package. The second one is the assign. Okay, suppose we wanted to create one more variable of list type, and we need to assign the same value to that particular list. Why this we should require? Because some of the cases we need to perform some operation, but no need to do any of the changes into the original list. Then we can create one more list by assigning this, and then we can perform on that another list. So for here, I'll just select the existing list from here. Just a second. Sorry. Okay, so I'll select the list. Okay, so city names. Okay, so and I wanted to create one list, lst uh, dummy city. lst temp city. Okay, temp city. All right, here I have created with the same, and then yeah, create and select. Okay, so whatever the contents are available inside the lst city names, it will be replicated to the lst temp city. Okay, so we have assigned this list to this list variable. Okay, so this is done. And then okay, so after this we will just try to print this. Okay, loop. Okay, and from loop we will just select the list. Okay, list, and we can select the original list, and here we will just create one variable so that it will be storing uh, the value to the variable, and we will just print this inside the loop. Okay, and yeah, here we supposed to select that variable which we have created, list atom. Okay, all right, so we'll just try to run this, and we will see the atoms from the list. Okay, so the bot is running now. Okay, so the Pune is then Bangalore, then Delhi, then Mumbai. All right, till now these actions are running as expected. So we'll see with the next action from the list package. Okay, yeah, the next is clear. So the name itself is stating that we can clear the list, like whatever the contents are there inside the list, those we can clear it, so that we can add, if we wanted to add the another names after clearing, then we can use this. Okay, so I'm not explaining here because this is more clear in terms of the word or the action name. So I'm not explaining. So it is basically clearing the list. Okay, so the next is the get atom. Okay, okay, so suppose if we wanted to get the name of the particular list, list atom from the specific index, then we can use this. Okay, so here we have the lstct name, and we need to retrieve the value from the first index. Okay, and then we supposed to store this in one of the variable. Okay, so str temp atom. Okay, okay, and then I'll just save it and try to print it in the message box. Message box F2. Okay, str temp atom. Okay, okay, so for now I'll just disable this loop, because we just checked whether all atoms are printing as expected. So this was as expected. So yeah, now I'll run this, and I wanted to get the atom from the first index. Okay, so this should shown inside the message box here. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right, so this is Bangalore. It is showing at the first index. Now we will go to the next action from the list. Okay, so it was get atom, and then the next one is the joined atoms. Okay, so join atom when we should use, because in the list we will have the number of atoms added and or appended. Okay, suppose we want these atoms needs in one single string. Okay, then we can use this. Okay, in one variable we can store it. Then how we can, because those atoms are having in the specified index, and those it will be a segregated, and it will be separated by the delimiter. Okay, so here you can see the comma is the delimiter. You can use any of the delimiter here, and I'll just select the elasticity name here, and I'll store this value in one of the variable str city name. atoms. Okay. Okay, so here we have created it, and I'll try to print this in the message box. Okay, and here I'll select this string variable. Okay, str city names city name atoms. Okay, so these are the joint atoms. I'll just disable this message box. We already used this. All right, I'll just try to run this and we will see this. Okay, so here you can see the whatever the atoms are there inside the list, those are available in one single string, which is separated with the delimiter. Okay, so Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai. Okay, so this is how we can use this. Okay, so we'll go to the next action from this list package, the append. Okay, so here when we should use the append, if we wanted to append the variable values to the data table. Okay, so here we have this option to select the list from here, and we can just select the data table. If data table available, we can able to see here. If not, then we can create it tbl city name. Okay, and here we have these many options. If we wanted to insert a column at first index, last index, whatever, based on your convenient, you can use it. Okay, okay, so this is done, and the next one is remove atom. Okay, okay, so suppose we wanted to remove the atom from the particular list, then we supposed to provide the index number again here. Okay, so I'm just selecting this list again, and I wanted to remove the Bangalore, and which is available in first index. Okay, so I'm just selecting this first. Okay, and then I need to assign this to the variable str atom to be removed. Okay, created it. Okay, save. Okay, and I'll just print this again here. Okay, so I'll just disable the previous message box because we already checked on this. Okay, so removed atom we can see here, and also we can just check after removed how the earlier it was 4 atom available inside the list, and now it should be the 3. We will just check. So we have this size action available to check, like how many atoms are there inside the list. Okay, so I'm just selecting this again, and yeah, here we can able to assign this in the variable here int uh, count. Okay, so whatever the count is there inside the particular list, those it will be available inside the int count which we have created here. Okay, okay, so I'll just print this here message box, and then here atoms are available in the list is. Okay, list is, and I'll just select this. Yeah, so elasticity name. Sorry, something went wrong here. Items to be available. Okay, in the list. Okay, yeah, so here what we supposed to select, that count variable which we have created here. Oh, yeah, so that we will select here. Yeah, this is the in message box we can able to print only the string, but this is the number. In this case, what we can do, we can just select the uh, dollar from here, and then we can start typing this int count. Okay, and inside that we can just add the dot, and we can just convert this to the string, so that we can able to print this. Okay, so I have used this. All right, and this is the atom to removed, atom to removed. Okay, all right, so we will just run this. Okay, so we'll see here. Okay, so atoms are available in the list is 3, and then atom to be removed. Okay, strct name atoms. Oh, sorry. I have selected the wrong atom in the matches box. Okay, so whatever the removed atom is there, so those are available in to be removed. Okay, so that I supposed to select here, to, and then to be removed. Okay, and then I'll run it again so that it will be having the correct name there. Okay. Okay, so here atoms are available in the list is 3, and yeah, Bangalore. All right, like till here, like I think we left only one action from the list package. We'll see that one also, because size also we have checked here, and yeah, the set atom is left. So we'll just drag this. Okay, in the set atom, when we should use that set atom, we supposed to add any of the atom to the existing list, then we can use it. Okay, so here we can select the lst city names here, and we wanted to add the atom in second index. Okay, okay, and here we should create one variable. Okay, to add str atom to add. Okay, atom to add. Okay, so we wanted to replace with this atom, and yeah, so assign the outcome to the variable. Okay, so at the second index, whatever the atom is there, those it will be assigned here. Str uh, atom value. Okay, all right, so that str atom to add, we don't have the value, so we will just add before that. We'll just assign this. Okay, because here what is happening in the second index, whatever value is available, we are just replacing with the this value. And right now we don't have this value available. That is why we have just created it. In your case, in live project, it might become from any of the input source, or like you can just have the existing variable. Those variable you can use it here. Okay, so here I am just assigning the value as a Hyderabad. Okay, and select the. Okay, so I'll just select this to add. Okay, All right, then finally we will just print this because in the second position the Hyderabad should be add. We will just try to print this again in loop. Okay, so I think we have this loop already available, so we can just copy from here. Okay, paste it here. Okay, so just we will see, yeah, this is the correct one. We'll just enable this, and whatever the previous message box, we will just disable it so that the execution time will be reduced. Okay, all right, run it. Okay, so Pune, Delhi, here you can see at the second place because the index is starting from the 0 0 1 2, so that is why in third place that Hyderabad is added there. Okay, so this is how we have just shown you like how the list package is working here. So guys, if you are feeling like this video is really helping to you, then please like this video, subscribe this, and do share this video so that it will be really motivate to us. Yeah, thanks for watching this video.